So again, I want to stress the importance of building backlinks, building content, and then making sure your on-page and technical SEO is sound in your website. If you're not doing that, then you're not going to have a growing graph, right? Like you see here. This is just an approximation, but you get the idea, right? We don't want to be, stagnant or have inconsistent results, which is why it's important to build content, blog pages that are relevant to the services that you offer or the products that you offer. And you want to make sure that you're targeting all, cycles of the marketing funnel, right? As we could see here, the customer journey. You want to write about in a way that's consistent with where people are in the journey. Maybe they're not ready to buy. They're near the top of the marketing funnel. And so you make a topic or a guide that's more informational versus something that talks about the specifics of your services or your products that you offer. That's going to be lower in the marketing funnel. But building backlinks is important, and it's often overlooked. I can't stress the importance of that enough. But once you have the right keywords that you want to target for one page, or your homepage in this case, you do the same thing for everything else. And obviously, there's more things that you could do, like to optimize a page. Maybe we need a redesign, right? Just given what our competitors are doing. We already talked about building out more page copy, including more text, including different sections that maybe talk about pricing, how we stand out, why people should choose us, the packages that we offer, etc. Things that we covered kind of like in this section here of the content outline. And so, because that gives us an opportunity to rank at higher locations, right? When we optimize properly, then we don't have to worry about ranking on page one because that comes naturally by doing everything right, building out content ideas like new blog topics, more backlinks, making sure the on-page keywords are sound, technically everything's sound, etc. Now there's more ways to optimize a page and a website, but I'm just going about it at a really basic level to kind of paint a quick picture of what can happen. And so I do have this example here of a website audit that I did for a previous client. So you can see the depth of technical SEO and on-page SEO that happens behind the scenes. So I'm going to open up a Google Sheet that I have for that now. So here's an example of the results that came out of a website audit. You could read the priority scores here. Is it low impact in Google search or high? Is it technical related? Is it content related? Like, let's rewrite 16 pages. Here's why. Here's some resources that you can check out if you need more information. Let's clean up some of the backlinks like I talked about previously. Maybe we want to consolidate some pages and just instead of talking about, instead of having too many commercial pages that are, cannibalizing and hurting each other, maybe we just want to redirect some of them so that we have one master page and we have an easier time getting found for that service keyword, right? And we could see, I did a crawl of the website. I've included all the pages that pertain to this client here. I tagged each page based on the intent. Is it a service page? Is it a lead gen page? Is it a blog post? Is it a gallery page? You get the idea. And then using this other checklist I made a list of technical action items. Do we want to keep it? Do we want to redirect the page and just have one master page of everything? And then I've included some notes here on what we want to do with everything related to technical SEO and on page, and then some things related to the content. Maybe we want to build more backlinks, right? Maybe we want to do more keyword research, like we could see on some of my notes here. And then I looked at some keyword rankings for each one of these pages, made an assessment, and then looked at all things that technical SEO related, which you don't got to know about if you're a potential client. And then I came up with these findings here, right? So there's a lot that goes into technical SEO. And if you guys need help, you can also schedule, a 30-minute call with me using the link below on my Upwork profile. And I'm going to make more videos so you guys get more value out of this. But yeah, that's kind of how you optimize a page.